Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today is my son's birthday and I am going to make him an amazing breakfast. So he actually chose this. So this is how it all got started. So I gave him some options and he actually had to choose one throughout the day, and it actually starts with the breakfast. And of course, he chose homemade. I mean, he wanted to go out, but after he had this right here, honey, he was like, Mom, this is bussin'. Whatever that is, this new generation. However, guys, this was absolutely amazing. The flavor in this is just out of this world. Guys, you just have to try it. So here are the list of the ingredients that I use, and it will also be in the description box along with the measurements. So to my eggs, I added some bouillon, some parsley flakes, and some pepper flakes. I also did add some onion powder, garlic powder, some heavy cream, and I sauteed some onion and about half of a medium onion. And I'm going to add that as well to the egg mixture. Then I'm going to whisk. Make sure everything is combined. I did add some sharp cheddar cheese, and that was the yellow cheddar cheese. So now we are going to put this omelet together. And the thing is, guys, with omelet, you can have your kids or your grandkids to work with. I mean, they can make it their own, whatever they want to add to this bag. And it is so amazingly delicious. There is no oil or anything like that. All right, now emphasis on the bag. Please make sure you guys get the really good Ziploc bag because we do not want any accidents in the water. This is actually a water bath. Then we're going to add some sharp cheddar, and I'm using Vermont cheddar, some amazing smoked gouda, and some parmesan. Then we're going to pour the egg mixture into the bag with the filling. And we are going to seal. Make sure to remove all the excess air out of the bag. And again, guys, note, please get the good bags, okay? Perfect. This is just gorgeous. And we're going to bring our water up to a boil. Make sure to use like a big pot. Bring the water up to a boil. And then we are going to gently place this in the water. Exactly is what I'm doing here. I dipped it in, raise it up for about 2 times, 3 times, and then I let it go. And cover and let this cook for about. All right, so now I added some butter, oil to a pan, and my sauteed onions, and my baby bella mushrooms. Now you can use whatever mushrooms you like here. I just love my baby bella mushrooms, and of course it's affordable. So I added my parsley, garlic, bouillon. Allow this to cook for about 2.5 minutes on medium low. Then we are going in with some heavy cream. We're gonna make our cream sauce. I did add some parmesan, seasoned to your likeness and taste, and reduced to about 7 minutes. Now our eggs, guys, look at this. It is absolutely amazing. It is done. It is done. It is so simple, so easy. I made an absolutely delicious, and the flavor, guys, man, I can't emphasize enough. So we're gonna pour this out, and this is what it looks like. Perfection. Awesome. And he's gonna have a grand time, I'm telling you. So let me know how you guys love your omelet, if you ever add it in bag or you like the ones you make regularly. So this is our cream sauce, and this is what it reduced to and looks like. I love the consistency, the thick, rich, and flavorful. So now we are going to plate. I mean, I say you can eat this as is, but it is my son's birthday, man, so I had to go over the top. Perfection. So guys, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Please wish my son a happy birthday in the comment section. And according to him, honey, this was bussin'. All right, so thank you guys so much. I want you guys to make this with your kids, your grandkids. You guys just have fun with this. All right, thank you guys so much for spending the time with us today. You guys are going to see the rest of the birthday video in other videos. So yeah, you guys have a wonderful day, and thank y'all. Bye. See y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.